And there are other examples of this. Like one that I've been following recently has been the Paul brothers,
Mm-hmm.
who completely made moves to extract themselves from their previous brands.
Right. Do they still make that content?
Not that I'm aware of. To me, it seems that they're taking this boxing thing really seriously,
Okay.
and pretty much all the content is around their endeavors in that with those challenges. And all of a sudden, everybody who goofed on them kind of had to address the fact that they had to put in a lot of work to become good at this task that they knew nothing about.
Right.
And the weird thing about fighting is that it's such a primal thing and it's so risky.
Wait, hold on. Did he fight Floyd Mayweather?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they did. Never mind.
Yeah.
I did.
I mean, he's way bigger than Floyd Mayweather. And by the way, I'm not trying to pump anybody here. I'm just saying that this is an example of a dimension or element of an individual that your own prejudice previously would have not allowed you to see. That for you, Logan Paul would have been the guy in the forest, and that's it.
Yeah.
Or he would have been the Pokemon guy, and that's it. And because of the way our brains want to quickly categorize things.
Wait, what Pokemon guy?
Well, he's just
he was wearing the... Yeah, okay. Okay.
He's into Pokemon cards and collecting them.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden he trains for 2 months and goes into a ring against a really established boxer. I know he's a lot smaller, but commits himself to it and does something really hard that a lot of people aren't willing to do. And you're like, okay, seems like a slightly different guy. Maybe my judgment was off. Maybe there's more to it, or maybe there's growth, or maybe there's change, or maybe there's blah, 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 blah,
All
blah.
of it, yeah.
All of the above. And so it's kind of evidence of how inaccurate our judgments are.
Yeah.
Because of how quickly we're moving through content and personalities, and how it's just easier for us to quickly put things into buckets and say, that's not a person I have to pay attention to because I'm already strung out to begin with. So let me just put them in the bucket of not for me.
Right. Now, I think that particularly with Logan, I don't really watch his content, right? But every time I've seen a clip or a video of him, he's grown up so much and he's changed so much as a person. Like that's what people do, right? That's the nature of human life. You grow up, you things happen, and you adjust your life and you tweak whatever it is, and you change. And I think for an audience member to kind of put people into buckets and not recognize that people don't belong in buckets. We shift. And even when I look at my content from a few years ago and I look at yours, it's like we have changed so much in the way we do things and the way that we are as human beings. So how could people expect anything less than that or anything else and anything other than that?